Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you target rich people using Facebook ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to target rich people with Facebook ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, running ads, especially if it's high ticket, there's no sense in running ads to people who simply just can't afford your offer. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Facebook ads manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Facebook ads manager, and this is the audiences section. So there's no one single button that you just click to target rich people. So you kind of have to work around it a little bit. One thing I want to let you know is that Facebook ads is moving away from you being able to handle the targeting, especially now they have something called Advantage Plus. So in the future, this might go away, but in the meantime, you can still build an audience that's geared towards targeting rich people. So to do that, first off, here on the left side of your Facebook ads manager, you're going to click on these three little people called audiences. Okay, once you do that, here on the top left, you're going to click on create audiences, and you're going to choose this option, saved. Okay, so here is how we're going to be able to build out our targeting for rich people. So I opened up this document that kind of gives you some ideas on how you can target rich people with Facebook ads. So you have these interest-based. If you want to download this list, check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. But basically, you can go off of luxury goods, luxury travel, yachting, private aviation, fine dining, designer brands, Rolex, Chanel, Gucci, frequent international travelers, high value goods purchases, online luxury shoppers. So this is all data that Facebook is gathering from its users, home ownership, exclusive clubs. So if you have specific golf clubs or country clubs and you know the name of it, you can go ahead and type that in. You can also target based off of zip codes. So everybody knows that 90210 is an expensive zip codes, but there's plenty of zip codes just like that throughout the US. Okay, so let me go back here to the ad manager. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and name this audience. So let's just say it's rich people, right? Locations, you can target specific zip codes. So maybe we're going to go ahead and just type in 90210. Okay, here is the zip code. We'll add that in. And then you can go ahead and add in a list of maybe 50 or 100 high value zip codes. For me, I'm not going to do that on this particular audience. So let me go ahead and just leave it at United States. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down. Minimum age, I'll leave it at 18. That doesn't really apply to rich people. Languages, for me, I'll be targeting English. So I'll just type in English. That way my ads aren't showing up to maybe Spanish or Chinese. And then custom audiences right here. Let's go ahead and add in custom audience. We're not going to add one of our audiences. I'm going to scroll down. Gender, I'll leave this at all. Detailed targeting. This is where we're going to type this in. Private jet. Okay, let's see here. Business jet. We'll add that one in. Let's go ahead and maybe type in Gucci. Add that in. Luxury travel. Let's go ahead and add in yachting. I'm going to go ahead and add in income. Let's go ahead and choose top 5% and net worth. So high net worth individual. Now, the thing is, like I told you, Facebook is moving away from you being able to target. So if we scroll up, we can see that the estimated audience size is 251 million people. So that's actually not correct because that's based off of Advantage audience. So if we scroll to the bottom, we want to click here, switch to original audience option. If you don't see that, you're going to click here on switch to Advantage Plus. And then once you've done that, you'll see this switch to original audience. So now we have a group of about 63 million people that we're targeting that may be considered rich people. And then you can keep adding in more and more interests based off of what we looked at over here, luxury goods, luxury travel, any kind of country clubs. And then once you've built up your list of rich people on Facebook ads, you want to click here, create saved audience. Okay, now we've added our audience of rich people. Now when we go to create our ads, we're going to be able to add this audience that we created into the ad as our targeting function. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to target rich people with your Facebook ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.